Top 5 Best Automatic Coffee Machine in 2026. Top 1. Jura JA Twin Diamond Black 15658 Automatic Coffee Machine. Versatility. Experience a new world of indulgence with exclusive sweet foam function, freshly ground, not capsuled. Choose from 31 options. Operation. Large 6.7 inches touchscreen panorama coffee panel is designed for optimum clarity and user-friendliness. Customization. Easily program various options, such as grind consistency, strength, volume, amount of milk foam and more. Expand preparation options using specialty selection. 2 grinders, 2 6.3-ounce bean containers, each with its own high-performance conical grinder featuring aroma control, which actively monitors grind consistency to achieve optimum results. Exclusive technology, sweet foam function, pulse extraction process, one-touch Americano and milk specialty function, 8th generation brew unit with 3D brewing technology, intelligent preheating. Top 2. Ninja Luxe Café Pro Series, Espresso Machine, Drip Coffee, Cold Brew, Hot Water, Integrated Tamper, Built-in Grinder, Hands-free Frother for cappuccinos, lattes, Americanos, dairy or non-dairy. Visit the Ninja store. 4 machines in 1, brew without limits with no guesswork. Espresso, well-balanced drip coffee, rapid cold brew, and an independent hot water system. 5 espresso styles, single, double shot or quad shot, ristretto and lungo. 3 drip coffee styles, classic, rich or over ice, 2 cold brew styles, cold pressed espresso or cold brew coffee, and independent hot water system, Americanos, tea, and hot chocolate. Drip coffee and cold brew available in 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 ounce sizes. Barista Assist technology. Unlock the ultimate guided experience with customized grind size recommendations, weight-based dosing, and active brew adjustments for temperature and pressure for balanced flavor. Cafe quality brews, no guesswork required. Integrated Tamper. Tamp your grounds easily and mess-free with the push of a lever, no overflowing grounds. Dual froth system PRO. Unlock more froth options with the easy-to-clean, insulated steam wand and XL milk jug. Elevate your at-home coffee routine and create froth for 2 drinks with 5 preset froth functions including steamed milk, thin froth, thick froth, extra thick froth, and cold foam. Top 3. BREVILLE Barista Pro Espresso Machine, Brushed Stainless Steel. The BREVILLE Barista Pro delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute, dose control grinding, with a single touch. The integrated precision conical burr grinder with dose control delivers the right amount of coffee on demand, for maximum flavor. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Receive 2 free bags of specialty coffee when you purchase and register any BREVILLE coffee machine. TNCS apply. Faster heat-up time. Innovative thermojet heating system achieves the optimum extraction temperature in 3 seconds with the instantaneous transition from espresso to steam. Top 4. BREVILLE Barista Express Espresso Machine, Brushed Stainless Steel. The BREVILLE Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Dose control grinding. Integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Receive 2 free bags of specialty coffee when you purchase and register any BREVILLE coffee machine. TNCS apply. Precise espresso extraction, digital temperature control, PID, delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Top 5. Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine, LatteGo milk system, integrated grinder, 12 hot and iced coffee presets, quick start, silent brew, 15 bar pressure, black chrome, 12 presets, endless combinations, hot drinks like espresso, coffee, lattes, and cappuccinos, to iced coffee, or simply hot water, take your pick. Top your coffee with silky smooth milk with our proprietary milk system. Your coffee in one touch, tailored to you, automatically grinds, tamps and brews at the push of a button with our intuitive color display. Easily adjust strength, volume, and milk level, and save up to 2 profiles to return to your favorites every time. LatteGo proprietary milk system, frothed, foamed. Your milk, your way, automatically. LatteGo is the fastest to clean milk system ever, 3 parts, no internal tubes or hidden compartments. Dishwasher safe or can be rinsed clean in 10 seconds.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.